Hi guys, it's Mr. Blue here, and we're in Ryan Rock Barrel now. Just going to get this axe for Calivicus, I think his name is. Oh no. Stay back! It's gonna blow up. Why have they all got action axe? Kill the man! It's okay, Mr. Doggy. I think I just messed this up. I guess I gotta do this again. Won't take long. I guess I shouldn't have started hitting the dog. I was just trying to get my one-handed up. Please, I'm not a murderer. Well, I am, but I'm not a murderer. I like the monster energy. I think I'm gonna sneak this time. Oh, the shoes. The bow that's on fire. Pull the bamboo. There. One second. Deal me. Oh, I'm good. I got it anyway. Get out the way! In your neck. A lichen? I don't know what that is, but it sounds cool. Hey, move. Scroll of control. Steel dagger. I want this axe. Kaboof. What's that? Hope you enjoyed the video so far. Quit, yo, Jib Jabba. You ain't hurt. You're pathetic. Boss, you act like a good. Oh, crap. A chest. Elven bow. Black soul gem.
Hold on. Did you love my games? Kerry said. You look in your mum's car. She said they had in there the day I found them.
Wow. All these things are amazing. Is that coin? Yeah. Right. I want to see this axe that I have. What don't I need? Well, I don't need any of that, but I'm gonna sell it anyway, so. Maybe I'll just get rid of some of my dragon bones. They're quite heavy. Yeah, so basically that's what you gotta do. I think if you keep the dog on the axe, then like keep the axe, you get the dog as well, which is pretty awesome. But I don't think I want the dog, so might as well just take the dog back. I'll show you what happens if you do take it back. Like I said, you don't have to take it back, you can keep the axe and the dog. So basically, if you go back, I don't think you keep the dog. I'm not sure, I think he tries to trick you. And if you don't go back, if you do go back, I'm not sure what happens, so I just gotta find out. Hold on a minute. Yes, to Hammer's cave. Where, maybe it's down here. I feel so stupid. But I'm gonna complete it. And you'll find out if I do in the next video. Goodbye.